All right, today is June 1st, 2021. We are doing our one box Legacy Football 2021 break number 7. Legacy Football does have the Dare to Tears, so if somebody hits one, it's going to go to the person on the outside regardless. So whatever team is on the outside of the Dare to Tear gets the card no matter what. They can decide to tear it or keep it sealed. And if they do decide to tear it, it does not matter to the team on the inside. It will go to the original owner no matter what. All right, so we're going to pull up our list. We got down to 16 at Dennis. We got Cheryl K, Michael G, Francis H3, Cody B, Jacob C, Douglas Z, Damon P, Tina M2, Nathan A, Damon P, Kong L2, and Dennis U. Cheryl K, Michael G, Francis H3, Cody B, Jacob C, Douglas Z, Damon M, Tina M2, Nathan A, Damon P, Kong L2, and Dennis U. Names copied in so everybody knows they made the list. Cardinals down to the football team for teams. There's that list. Pull that off. We only reroll Snake Eyes, any duels, random off between the teams at the end. Here we go. 5 and a 3, 8 times. We're good. Start with names. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8th and final. Kong L on top, Michael G on the bottom. 8 times. Kong, wrong one. Alright. Kong L, Michael G. There we go. Kong L, Michael G. I click copy on this one instead of paste. Alright, on the teams. Cardinals down to the football team. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8th, and final. Here is everybody's teams. Packers on top. Falcons on the bottom. 8 times. Packers on top, Falcons on the bottom. Alright, we got Cody B. I'm going to run through teams, drop trades down below. Both parties must confirm. If they do, we'll switch those up before we get started. Going to give it about a minute after I get done reading. Got Cody B, Bills, Titans, Damon P, Dolphins, Browns, Steelers, Jets, Dennis U, Chargers, Jaguars, Douglas Z, Bears, Rams, Francis H, Raiders, Cowboys, Cardinals, Giants, Bucks, and Colts. Jacob C, Bengals, Seahawks, Kong L, Packers, Chiefs, Panthers, Patriots. Michael G, Broncos, Falcons. Nathan A, Texans, Ravens, Cheryl K, Saints, Lions, Tina M, Eagles, Niners, football team, and Vikings. Ari, give me 1 second. I will double check that for you. Drop trades down below. Both parties must confirm. Got about 1 minute. Uh, 20 teams left. We're trying to fill that.
Maybe a box, at least a small box. I guess you can use it. See what these two.
Yeah, there's not going to be much there, but okay.
Francis is looking for the Dolphins with Damon. Raiders, Cowboys, Cardinals, Giants, Bucks, and Colts. What is it?
This?
Yeah.
Legacy.
All right, here we go. Gonna get going. Good luck to all. Let's hit some bangers. Let's see those dare to tears. Still looking for one. Maybe a sparkle mini. Nice RPA. Empty box. Looking for Pitts. Oh, nice. That was a nice roll, Mikey. Oh, man. I moved it. There we go. All right. Yeah, I haven't either. We haven't seen Lawrence in a while either. Surprisingly. Mike Ditka. TJ Watt. Kyler Murray. Derek Carr. Silver Nico Collins rookie. Flashback George Kittle. Davis Mills base and a Najee Harris base. Tiki Barber. Raheem Mostert. Denzel Mims. Terry McLaurin. Deshaun Watson. Filler. Decade of Dominance, Jack Ham. TJ Vasher and Seth Williams. I don't even know if we've pulled a Pitts from any of our breaks. Lance Briggs. Tyreek Hill. Myles Gaskin. Miles Sanders. Got a redemption. I don't even know who a redemption is in this. Malcolm Butler, Patrick Jones II, and Terrence Marshall Jr. We are about to find out. This could be pretty much anybody. All right, we got football, legacy, rookies, premium penmanship silver. Card number 179, Micah Parsons going to the Cowboys. Micah Parsons redemption auto going to the Cowboys. So that's just the auto. So hopefully we got an RPA in here too. Joe Thomas, Justin Jefferson, Deontay Johnson, DeAndre Hopkins, Devin White, green, Warren Sapp, 15 of 100. Greg Rousseau and Jamie Newman. That's you, right, Francis? I think you had the Cowboys. Yeah, there you go. Charles Haley, Brandon Ayuk, Stephon Gilmore, Antonio Gibson, Penei Sewell Chrome going to the Lions. Flashback, Derrick Henry, Pat Freiermuth, and a Trevor Lawrence base going to the Jags. Did Zach Wilson sign? I feel like I've seen everybody else's autos, but I haven't seen his. So I thought maybe he's a redemption, but I think all the quarterbacks signed. I don't know, though. Hines Ward, Drew Brees, Patrick Mahomes, Devontae Parker, Darius Slayton. Did I? Yeah. Timeless Talents, Russell Wilson, Kadarius Toney, and a Carlos Basham Jr. Oh, yeah, I do remember that. I think that might have been our only pits, though. I could be wrong. But there definitely has not been a lot. Steve Young, Devontae Adams, Ben Roethlisberger, Derrick Henry, Silver Mini Pat Freiermuth, Julio Jones flashback, Rashad Bateman, rookie, Micah Parsons. Reggie Bush, Mike Evans, Clyde Edwards-Helaire, Damian Harris, DJ Chark Jr., DeAndre Hopkins, 230 of 299 red going to the Cardinals, Kyle Trask base, and a Kyle Pitts. There we go. Florida connection back-to-back. What do you guys think? You think Trask was a good pickup by the Bucks late rounds? No more points, Jacob. We don't want any more points. I'm done with points. Thurman Thomas, Michael Pittman Jr., Teddy Bridgewater, Cam Akers, Chrome Kwity Paye, Timeless Talents Jason Witten, Sean Wade base, Devontae Smith base going to the Eagles. In a perfect world, there is no points in our player break tonight, too. I want it all strictly autos. More entertaining. Randy Moss, Austin Eckler, Ezekiel Elliott, Kenny Galladay, Robert Woods, Darren Waller, filler, Josh Allen flashback, Penei Sewell rookie, Zach Wilson base going to the Jets. All right, we got James Harrison, DK Metcalf, LaMichael Perine, Lamar Jackson, Tylan Wallace, 351 of 399 futures RPA. I don't know this one off the top of my head. Anybody got the team on that one? Adrian Peterson, Decade of Dominance. Michael Carter and Joseph Osai. Yeah, wild card will allow it. That's the only one though. Anything besides wild card is not allowed. Maybe the wild cards take the place of the RPAs, and all the little ones are just the autos. Maybe that's why, because we didn't hit an RPA in that box when we hit the wild card. Deion Sanders, David Johnson, Calvin Ridley, Jared Goff, Justin Herbert, Red Legends 85 of 299, Dan Marino, Travis Etienne to the Jags, and Ian Book to the Saints. Terrell Davis, Dak Prescott, Jalen Reagor, Kirk Cousins, Under the Lights, Chrome, Tyreek Hill. For the Ages, Derek Brooks, Nico Collins, Christian Barmore. Sean Alexander, Matt Ryan, Kenyon Drake, Josh Jacobs, Jimmy Garoppolo, Generations, JJ and TJ Watt. Wallace Ravens got it. Rondale Moore and Kwity Paye. Alright, so the Tylan Wallace RPA is going to the Ravens. Thanks for the check, Francis. Kurt Warner, Jameson Crowder, Chase Young, Brandon Cooks, Blue rookie Kyle Trask going to the Bucks. Nice mini 38 of 50. Sure Mikey likes that one. Going to the Bucks. Randy Moss, Timeless Talents, Kellen Mond base, and Sam Ellinger. Last pack to close out our break. Tony Gonzalez, Julio Jones, Sony Michel, Jalen Hurts, Delvin Cook, Blue, Demetric Felton. 41 of 50. Justin Fields base and a Javion Hawkins. Close out our break. I think we only got one random. We'll have to double check on the off chance that somebody has both teams. Steelers and Texans. No. That makes it easy. All right. One random. Only real snake eyes is going to do this now. 4s, 8 times. Come on, there we go. 8 times. All right, 8 times. Top spot takes it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. 8th and final goes to the Texans. J.J. Watt spot takes it. But that is going to close out Legacy number 7. Congrats to all of our hitters. Appreciate everybody that hopped in that break.